Welcome to the first unboxing video of my life.
So I thought I'd actually do my own unboxing video here. The the iMac Pro has just been delivered moments ago by the UPS gentleman, very fine fellow, and I thought I would give you the bird's eye view, or the human eye view, of the unboxing. Here we go. Thing removed. This is my first unboxing video, so obviously I'm not that good at it. The lid is up, slowly seducing you with this one. Oh god, no. It's a box! And here we go. I have to hold the camera because, well, I don't have any stuff to do this. So you're going to have to bear with me and assume my commentary is enough to keep you entertained. I have been complimented on my commentary many times before. Now, hopefully this thing just doesn't turn into one of those videos where the whole thing smashes. This is designed in Apple, California, but the iMac was actually sent from Shanghai in China via Kazakhstan, Germany, and Korea as well. So it was a multi-legged journey to get its way here to the United Kingdom. And then we have this sort of, you'll notice the box is sort of not that nice. Maybe it's a better for the environment. Let's hope so. Polystyrene, obviously polystyrene's not that good for the environment. You'll see that I've got my daughter's pillowcase on the door there. All part of the magic here on this unboxing. Apologies about the dreadful camera work, but as I say, I am just holding this and pulling this shit out. Other stuff, apologies about that language. That was unnecessary. This is getting a bit boring doing this, so I'm probably going to stop now and actually go with the two-handed approach, meaning this video is going to cease. But what I will do is I'll show you... Oh, I can't even open this. Oh, sorry. I wasn't even showing it to you. Ah! Probably personal details. Scratchy head. Yeah, so, well, let's just consider that unboxed. Brilliant. First unboxing video. Pretty sweet. Let me show you the front again. Pretty sweet. Now, the reason I bought this is simply because I could. It is completely overkill. I do not have anything to do on this computer that requires so much power. But basically, I just was able to buy it, so I wanted it, and it's very pretty. More unboxing. Here we go, the keyboard coming out. Seductive in black. Very nice. And once again, I've encountered the one-handed issue. So again, I'm going to abandon it. But look at that numeric keypad. Looks a little bit like a calculator the way it's been framed by the case there. Very impressed with that. Ciao. And these essentially are all the bits laid out, excluding one bit which is on the floor over here, which fell over. Which is I believe they're called lightning cables. This one being a black version of the standard white cable. Yet to unveil or remove the plastic from the case to unveil its full glory. Obviously very excited about that. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty sweet piece of kit, I've got to say. I'm very happy. Obviously time will tell because I haven't actually used it, but as far as aesthetically, it is incredibly beautiful. And let's face it, that does count for a lot because we're all, you know, very shallow human beings. Alrighty, on to the next phase. And here we have the final setup on the desk with the telephone there. The home office, quite literally ready. Although, to be fair, I will not be using this computer for work. I have a work laptop which I'll be using. But I've got to say, I'm pretty stoked. I know it's a lot of money. I know it's a bit of a gearish thing to do, but sometimes you just got to splurge. Apple do make great products, and I'm fully aware that they're likely to release a new one of these this year, later on in the year. But frankly, this computer is extremely powerful, and I'm sure that it's still going to have something left in the trunk in 5 or 6 years' time. Well, on that note, I'm going to turn this bad boy on. Have a good one. Booting. The excitement of booting your new Mac up for the first day. There really is no other feeling. Better than quite literally sex. Although I'm married now, so obviously I'm not having a lot of sex. Now there's things going on here which I have no idea what they mean. Mouse, move mouse up. Did I do that? And I don't know what that means. Mouse moving up. Well, what can I say? This may be the most boring video ever made, but for some reason it makes me happy, and in years to come, oddly enough, I will probably look back and smile. Stay clean.